Little artist, today we're drawing backpacks because it's time to go back to school. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna start on the left side of the paper by doing a letter U as an upside down letter U, and now I'm closing this letter U on the bottom. Then we're gonna do the side pocket and just do two little lines, and then I'm going down and then close. This line is a little triangle. Now a curvy line that it goes like this, and if you see, it's like thinner on the top. I'm doing a side pocket. Now let's continue with the straps, and for that I'm doing like a long curvy line that goes down. It's almost like a letter C, and I'm doing another one right behind, and the space in between is really little. Let's do one more up here, and it's gonna look like this, just a curvy line just like that. To finish this strap, I'm gonna do one here under, just like this. So it's giving a little bit more shape. Okay, so that's the first strap. Now for the second, I'm doing two curvy lines, the same, like two thin curvy lines and one last one. And that's it. The straps are done. Now let's do the front pocket. And for that, I'm gonna do kind of like a C. It is like a sideways letter C, and we close it on the bottom. Now for the zippers, I'm doing a circle and a kind of like a triangle. Then I'm gonna follow the same lines for the pocket and a little line in the middle. Let's do another zipper here on the front, and for that I'm doing the circle, a square, and then a rectangle, and that's it. Okay, now let's do the eyes. For the eyes, I like to do different size, and these ones are gonna be like that. So see, one is bigger than the other one. I'm doing a circle in the middle, and one is bigger than the other one. Now let's do the next backpack. So I'm gonna start with the front pocket, and it's just a square. So I'm gonna do here a square, just like this. And now I'm gonna do the back part of that pocket. So I'm just gonna follow the same lines I did, and we close with a little of a diagonal line. Now let's do a line in the middle, and I'm gonna do here a zipper. Remember, it's a circle and a square. And then let's do another one here, circle, square, and a rectangle. Now let's do the backpack. It's gonna be behind here. So we're gonna go from this point up, and then we're gonna go down, kind of like a letter U again, and we're gonna close it or join right here. Let's do another one. So I'm following the same shape, going down, and now let's do the line in the middle. So it's gonna be line right here, and then I'm going to do this zipper and finish the line. Okay, now we have to do the straps, and for that I'm doing two little curvy lines, then one more a little wider. Now let's do one more here. So this one is gonna go down a little bit more, so it goes up to here, and we join right here, and then I'm doing another line that follows this one really closely. Okay, I'm gonna do one more right here, and don't forget about the line that goes down in this direction. And the last thing is the eyes, and again, you can do the eyes as whatever you want, but I'm doing my eyes just a little funny, just one is bigger than the other one. This one looks like it's looking at the first backpack. And that's it, we're finished. So now my favorite part, let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.